This exercise is called a sit to stand. So for this exercise, you're going to need a chair, and a chair with a back and hand rest is preferable so that you can use that for support if needed. When you're doing this exercise, you don't want to start back in the chair back here. You want to come a little bit forward towards the front of the chair so that your weight will be easier to shift forward and stand up with. So your feet are going to be slightly underneath your knees. You're going to be upright, nice and tall. You're going to take your trunk forward, and that'll take the weight off of your bottom. And then you're going to lift your bottom up and come stand up nice and tall. When you go back to sit, you might need some support from the chair. So reach back towards it, bring your bottom down first, and then bring your trunk back. Again, lean forward, use the support rest if you need to push up from, stand up tall, slowly go back down, reach back for the surface. Bottom comes down first, trunk comes back, and repeat.